everyone, my name is Elsa Sulistiana, Faculty of Business and Humanities, International Relations Study Program, NBM 5221611095. Indonesian response to Israel Russian attack of the Gaza region. This one covered by the Indonesian Minister of Foreign Affairs Retno Marsudi at the UN General Assembly session of Palestine. Retno said that Indonesia prioritizes avoiding the killing of civilians. He also requested that humanitarian aid be allowed to enter Gaza easily and quickly. A stand before the UN General Assembly on Palestine, not only a Minister of Foreign Affairs of Indonesia, but also as woman, a mother, a grandmother, and the defend justice and humanity, said the top Indonesian diplomats. Israel has carried out sporadic bombings in Gaza since October 7 when the Hamas armed group crossed the border and killed 1,400 people and kidnapped 222 others. Hamas itself argued that the attack was a response to the storming of the Al-Aqsa Mosque, which claimed Palestinian lives to critics of Jewish settlement in the area. Israel has carried out sporadic bombing in Gaza since October 7 when the Hamas armed group crossed the border and killed 1,400 people and kidnapped 224 others. Hamas itself argued that the attack was a response to the storming of the Al-Aqsa Mosque, which claimed Palestinian lives and critics of Jewish settlement in the area. So far, more than 7,000 Palestinians have been killed, with the majority of civilians, with nearly 3,000 dead being children. There are concerns that the number of victims will increase if Israel actually carries out a land invasion of Gaza in effort to destroy Hamas and rescue the hostages. Meanwhile, apart from massive attacks, Israel has also cut off access to logistic material, water, and utilities to the Gaza area. This condition has also threatened the lives of the residents of the area, with health facilities increasingly overwhelmed due to the larger number of victims and limited supplies of medicine and electricity. To stop this, Retno asked UN member countries to use their heart to defense justice and humanity. He said that the world seems to refuse to see the reality of the disaster in Gaza, even to this day the attacks and massacres in Gaza are still continuing. There are countless times where have stood in the hall, the reduced the suffering of our brother and sister in Palestine. Countless times we have had emergency meeting of the UN General Assembly regarding the fate of the Palestinian people, but countless times our hopes have been dashed because a narrow political interest, he concluded. For this reason, Retno emphasized the that the UN General Assembly must be able to carry out the role the UN Security Council failed to carry out. According to him, the UN General Assembly must prove the UN population upholds human dignity in life. Indonesia strongly condemns in the violence committed by Israel against Palestine, including attacks on hospital and place of worship in Gaza. This indiscriminate killing, kidnapping, and collective punishment of civilians must be condemned, condemned is inhuman and in violation of international laws. Thank you.